Hello viewers, many people wanted to buy tablets during Freedom Sale on Amazon and Flipkart.com, but after few hours of the sale, the prices of tablets have gone up. So many people did not buy any tablet. They are eagerly waiting for Big Billion Days sale on Flipkart.com and Great Indian Sale on Amazon.in. Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival are the biggest sale of the year. But before buying any tablet, you must know the best price of each and every tablet. In this video, I will cover some of the tablets and their best price. If you want to buy a tablet under 15,000 rupees, in that case there are many tablets. The first tablet that you can buy is Oneplus Pad Lite. Oneplus Pad Lite is a newly launched tablet. Currently you can buy the 6GB and 128GB at 13,000 rupees, but I will not recommend you to buy this right now. In Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival, you can buy this tablet at around 10,000 or 11,000 maximum. Next, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, in that case the best price for this tablet is 12,500 rupees for the Wi-Fi variant. Another tablet that you can buy under 15,000 price bracket is Redmi Pad 2. Redmi Pad 2 is a very good tablet with 2.5K display and pen support. The best price for 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage is around 12,000 rupees, and if you want to wait for Big Billion Days sale, in that case you will get that tablet under 10,000 rupees. Next, if your budget is 15 to 20,000 rupees, in that case you can consider Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant. You will get the Wi-Fi variant at around 15,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. And if you want to buy the 5G variant, in that case the best price would be around 18,000 or 19,000 maximum. If you are a Samsung lover, in that case you can consider buying Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE under 20,000 rupees. The best price for Tab S9 FE is 18,000 or maximum 19,000. Next, if your budget is 20,000 to 25,000 rupees, in that case you can consider iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi variant. The best price for iPad 10th generation is 22,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. The next tablet that you can consider is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Tab S9 FE Plus is one of the most favorite tablets, but many people have bought this tablet at a higher price point. The best price for Tab S9 FE Plus is 23 to 24,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale, and if you want to buy the 5G variant, in that case the best price would be under 30,000 rupees, maybe 28,000 rupees. And if you are planning to buy the 256GB 5G variant, in that case the best price would be 35,000 rupees maximum. If you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 7, in that case the best price for the 256GB Xiaomi Pad 7 is 22,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. Next, if your budget is 25 to 30,000 rupees, in that case you can buy two tablets that I will mention. You can consider buying iPad 11th generation 128GB variant. The best price for iPad 11th generation 128GB is around 27 to 28,000 maximum during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale. The next tablet that you can buy under 30,000 price bracket is Oneplus Pad 2. For the 128GB, the best price is 28,000 rupees with Stylo 2.0 in the box. And if you are planning to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 30,000 rupees. If your budget is 30 to 35,000 rupees, in that case you can consider buying Samsung Galaxy S10 FE. S10 FE will be available under 35,000 price bracket during Big Billion Days sale. And if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be 38,000 rupees maximum for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant. iPad Air M1 will also be available under 40,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale, so stay tuned for that sale. Also, you can consider buying Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 under the price bracket of 38,000 rupees. So these are the pricing of some of the tablets that you can buy during Big Billion Days sale or Great Indian sale. If you are interested to buy any tablet, subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video on the best price and the best deals on Amazon and Flipkart.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. The only condition is you have to like the video and then ask your question. I will answer that question to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.